You know, there's not many neighborhoods that surprise me, but this is one of them because I'm going to be showing you this stunning semi-custom home. It's brand spanking new construction, but we're in a community that is well established in the heart of South Charlotte. So if you're looking for that ideal location, big lots, new construction options, going to be close to the highways, interstates, bars, restaurants, retail, and of course the famous South Park Mall. This is going to be an option that you want to hear about, and I can't wait to show you this, especially the second floor, because there's features in this house that I haven't seen in a long time. My name is Dean, and I put out videos every single week about living here in Charlotte. I'm also a real estate agent, so if you have any questions about this house, this community, or if you're just looking for a good agent to help you find something, go ahead and reach out to me. I'm going to put my contact information right below. You can go ahead and shoot me a text, give me a call, send me an email, and with that being said, let's jump into this video. So we're in a True Homes product. True Homes are a regional builder. You might have heard about these guys before. They build a fantastic product, but over the past couple of years, they've really changed and upped their game because they've started building semi-custom homes on individual lots. Now the floor plan that we're in today, it's a little bit over 3,500 square feet. It's a 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms home, but wait until you see the second level because there's a couple of features on there that you are gonna love. Now, as soon as you come in through the entranceway here, you're gonna see these lovely vinyl plank floors, luxury vinyl plank floors. Really nice feature. Love this natural oak color that they've done in here. Now, when you come in here, immediately on the front door, you're gonna come straight in here to the home office. Now it's nice because it's at the front of the house. It's not a huge room, but I love the natural light being at the front of the house, but it's perfect for those people that work from home and just need a little bit more privacy when they are working. Now, right outside, you're gonna see this absolutely beautiful formal dining room. Now, a couple features I really wanna point out to you. First, see this tray ceiling. Really nice. You've got 10-foot ceilings throughout the first level, which is a really nice feature. You've got this board and batten style chair rail all the way around the side. Absolutely beautiful light fixture over there. I'm sure you'll agree. A couple of windows over there, natural light, but I'm going to point out something else and we'll get there in a second. But look through here. That's going to be one of the alleyways to the kitchen for the butler's pantry. And who doesn't like butler's pantries in today's lifestyle? Now on the left-hand side, this is going to be an area that you're going to come in probably 9 times out of 10. You've got a nice storage coat closet over here. You've got more of the farmhouse style drop zone, which is fairly common these days. But right here is the entrance point from the garage. So this is probably where you're going to come in most of the time. Kick off your shoes, hang your coat up just like what I did over there. And here is my least favorite room, the laundry room. Nothing too exciting about this, but I will give an honorable mention to the floors because they are really, really nice, like the tile designs. But you've got the shaker cabinets, you've got the countertops over here, so you know, more than enough. The only thing they don't have in there is a sink, but again, it's a laundry room and you're on the main level. But as soon as you come, you can kind of see how wide this entrance point is. It's really nice. It doesn't feel kind of dingy. And again, you've got a half bathroom over here, powder room for your everyday use, entertaining for the house. But this is going to be the heart of the house. And just look how big this space is. Look how big the ceilings are. I'm going to point out a couple features before we really get kicking off. You've got some stunning columns over there with the workmanship, woodman mill style over there. You've got the exposed beams that have been painted on there. Look really, really nice. Again, 10-foot ceilings, so you've got a ton of space. Let's go ahead and check out this small area, which is going to be a dining area for your everyday eating. They're doing a deck on the back right now. We'll check that out in a little bit. But this is a nice little space. You've got a nice little round table over here, perfect for your everyday eating. And of course, we have a kitchen island with the 3 bar stools. So between this and this, you're pretty much covered for your Monday through Friday, and you can use your formal dining room on those rare occasions. Now, kitchen, love this island. It's a huge island, as you can see. But what I like about this island, I just love the colors and the texture on here. Just look how this streaks through there on the quartz countertops. Love the sink. You've got the nice farmhouse, deep sink, farmhouse style sink there. Pendulum lighting hanging, always a nice feature. And you've got the white shaker cabinets, and everybody's favorite, you've got the 5-burner gas cooktop stove over here, and you do have a double oven over here. Actually, I take it back. It's a single oven, and that's the microwave, but still really nice. Classic backsplash over here, the square. It's kind of like a subway tile, but it's a little bit different. And here is going to be your nook over here for your fridge. Now let's just go ahead and check out this pantry area, this butler's pantry. You're going to have more of a continuation. It kind of feels like a carry-on from the kitchen. Same countertops, cabinets, and you have a nice walk-in pantry over here. It's not the biggest pantry in there. It does go back a little bit deeper in there, but it's pretty big for the size of it, but it's not the biggest I've seen, period. But really like this kitchen. Just when you're hanging out in the kitchen, this is going to be your view of the rest of the house. So you're going to really get to see the living room, and of course we'll get over there, which is the primary owner suite. Living room, it's the only thing it's not having in here, should I say missing. It doesn't have a fireplace, gas fireplace. I personally like gas fireplaces. We live in the South. We probably use them 3 times a year, but it's nice to have them because they do offer a nice effect, but I understand why they've done it. Not everyone does it these days. You've got a nice piece of furniture over here. You've got the 8-inch thick square cut baseboards, which I love. You've got 3 windows here, natural light. You've got the door for the back door over there, and you've got 2 windows over there, which is really nice as far as it just feels very wide open. It feels high because of the 10-foot ceilings and a lot of natural light in here. So I really like what they've done with this space. Primary owner suite on the main level. Second floor, we'll get up there in a second, but I'm looking forward to showing you a couple of surprises up there, so make sure you stick around. Now in the primary owner suite, again, you've got these nice tray ceilings, which I really like in here. Same 10-foot ceilings again, flooring throughout. You do have 4 windows, it's at the back of the house, so you do have that privacy over here, 2 windows, and I think that's just a regular king size bed, but if you wanted to put a California king, you'd have the space to it. But they haven't included that on this. But you got enough space if you wanted to put a TV on the wall, or maybe you wanted to do some additional furnitures in here. Now this bathroom, tell me what you think to this bathroom. I think it's nice the way that they've designed it. Everything's in here, but it doesn't seem as big as I probably would have expected on this price point, which we'll talk about here in a second. So you've got a decent shower, that's really nice. Custom cut glass, you've got the cutouts, you've got the bench in there as well. So it's really nice as far as style. You've got a window, which I love windows in bathrooms. You will of course need to get some kind of blinds in here, but you've got the double vanity. So you've got everything you need. It's just not huge. Nice area right over here, which I like. The door, it's not a knee knocker, so if you don't know what a knee knocker is, sit on the toilet and your wife comes in there and kneecaps you, that's a knee knocker. And here the closet, again, it's a decent size, but I've seen bigger in this price point before. But I like the fact that you've got that primary on the main, you have a home office on the main, you've got a formal dining room here on the main. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just show you the backyard. We do have contractors there just putting up some fencing in there. So I just wanna pre-warn you on that, but we still wanna go out just so you can kind of see the acreage that you get. You could screen this off if you wanted to go ahead and put a screened-in porch in here, but here you go. How's it going? Just finishing up, putting up the fence, as you can see around. We're on just over a 1/4 acre lot, so it's a really nice. Now, for context of this video, we are shooting in the winter months, so as you can see, the trees aren't greened out yet, but if you were on here and you had these trees greened out in the warmer months, then my goodness, you'd have a ton of privacy over here. You could even put a pool back here if you want. You've got a side garden over here and a nice stretch over there. I think you could do it. All right, let's go ahead and check out level number 2. So the subdivision is called Providence and Franklin Park. It's an older subdivision. What I love about it, there is no HOA here. So you have no codes, covenants, and restrictions. You've got nobody telling what you can and can't do to the property. And you've got that nice bigger lot that we just saw out there. So I really like about this. Some of the downsides about not having an HOA, there's no amenities, but if you wanted to put a pool in this house, you certainly have the space to it. And we're just minutes away from South Park, and there is so much more to South Park than just the mall. There's a ton of restaurants around there, and there's a ton of employment opportunities. So if you're looking to move to the area as well, and you need somewhere as far as a job hub, but don't necessarily want to be working in Uptown Charlotte, South Park is the second biggest job hub in the entire Metro Charlotte area. But this staircase that I love coming up, it seems open. And with this opening over here, as you can see the entrance point, it's very grand. And when you come into the house, for the first time. You're gonna see this 20-foot plus ceilings, which is really, really nice, but it just ties everything together. Now I wanna show you the bonus room, but before we get over there, let me go this way. I wanna show you one of the bathrooms I'm gonna show you a bathroom, but I'm gonna show you this bedroom in here. My voice might echo a little bit. It's because there's no furniture in here, but this is not a primary. I've seen primary owner suites that are actually smaller than this, 8-inch baseboards. Ceiling height now is 9 feet, so it's 10 feet downstairs, 9 feet upstairs, but you've got a nice built-in closet, 2 windows over here. And I just love Jack and Jill bathrooms. They've been around for as long as I can remember, but they just never go out of style. They're always nice to see and put a smile on my face. So when you come in here, you got a bathtub shower combo. You've got a sink on this side, the commode, and you've also on here, you've got a closet that belongs to that bedroom, which is always nice. And then of course, you've got a second closet on this area, which is more of a linen closet. But as you can see, you've got a nice sink, vanity sink in here. So you've got the full bathroom in here. And we're just gonna go ahead and sneak through here because this is the second bedroom. Now this one's slightly smaller. We're now at the back of the house, but still you got 2 windows, so you got natural light. All the updates and features are exactly the same. And as you come back out through here, we're gonna go ahead and hit the utility room, not going in there because it's the HVAC. So this brings me now to my favorite room in the house, which is actually the bonus room / loft. If you wanted to enclose it, you have the option to do this. You've got a nice entrance way right over here. But as you can see, this is absolutely ginormous. This is as big as the living room. And I like it because it's at the back of the house. So if you did want to take this into more of a media room, second living room, or maybe even a home theater room, you're not directly above one of the bedrooms, which is always nice, especially if you're watching movies late at night. But as you can see, you got a nice TV over here. It's just absolutely huge. Love what they've done this. The designer absolutely killed it on here. But look at this piece of painting over there. It really ties everything together. I love the colors that they've done. Now I've got another room to show you that's, again, more of a surprise for you because I don't see this all the time. So if we're coming in here, this is actually a flex room. It is not a bedroom, or it could be considered a bedroom. There's just no door. What I personally would do, if you wanted to use this as a home gym, you could do that. It's a flex space. Go ahead and put a barn door, or maybe just want to go ahead and put a door over there. You could get the builder to do that for sure, especially if you didn't need the bedroom space. But you do have a closet outside of here, which is really nice. So it's kind of enclosed in its own little wing, maybe an in-law suite, because you can actually use this to close it off. And there's a door over there, and then there is some storage space, which is really nice. And it does have access to its own bathroom. So you're gonna have double vanity on this side. You've got a nice transition in flooring now to the tile, which is nice. And then the bath and the commode combo in there, which is nice. You can enclose it off. Now this goes through to the next bedroom, which again, you could consider this a Jack and Jill. You've got the same scenario over here. You can close that door. This is all enclosed. You don't have a door for the actual bedroom, but they've made this one into a bedroom to give you an idea on what you could do with the space. This one, of course, is at the front of the house. You've got 3 windows over there, which is really, really nice. A lot of natural light in here. And of course, it's got its own closet on this side. So what they've done here is really, really nice. I love the way that they've done it. They've done like its own little wings in the house. So if you've got teenage kids, this could be perfect. So I know what you're probably thinking now, like, okay, Dean, you've told us where we are. Let's talk about the pricing and some more information about this product. So go ahead and stick around. So the South Charlotte corridor, in many people's opinion here who live in the Charlotte area, is kind of the heart of Charlotte itself, because you've got that historic area that's all built up. When you think of the Old South and you're thinking of some of those older homes, our bigger lots, and they have the front porches, very Southern style. And these communities are ones that have exploded over the past few years because there's been so much development in them. A lot of the houses in this pre-established area have actually all been renovated, and some of them have just empty lots now, and they've just go ahead and built these absolutely stunning homes. Again, we're built by True Homes. It's a regional builder. They're probably, you might have even heard of them, they might even be in your state, but they build an absolutely stunning new semi-custom package. They've really changed some of the designs in the floor plans over the past 5 to 10 years to really tick a lot of boxes on it. This house is offered at 1.195 and it's available immediately. So if this is something you're interested in, I'm going to encourage you to go ahead and reach out to me. Again, you can shoot me a text, you can send me an email, or of course you can go ahead and give me a phone call, good old-fashioned phone call. Either ways works, but if this is something you're interested, like I say, just go ahead and reach out to me. I'd love to connect with you, be your agent of choice, and help you find a nice dream home here in the Charlotte area. And thanks for watching this video, and until the next video, I'll see you around town, and God bless.